Hello everyone, so how are you? So today I'm solving this daily Leetcode problem called sort array by increasing frequency. Okay, so basically what is happening, some array is given, like take an example, this is an array, right? So we have to sort it in such a way that they should be sorted according to their frequency. So who is, see here, 3 came only once, right? So 3 will come in sorted array first because its frequency is only 1. Similarly, 1 has 2 frequency and 2 has 3 frequency, so 1 will come at the second place, all the ones, and then 2. So that is one example, but there are also one scenario that there could be the possibility that 2 elements have same frequencies. For example, here 2 has 2 times and 3 also has 2 times frequency. So in this case, 3 should, the bigger guy should come first, right? So see here, first it came 1 because its frequency is only 1. Then it came 3, though its frequency 2 also have frequency 2, but it's given in question that bigger guy should come first. So 3 came first and then 2. So this is all what we have to do. It is a simple question. So let me explain my approach. I have already written this code. I am explaining it. So let me just increase bit more it. So see here what I am doing. First of all, I created one HashMap, and in this HashMap I am just taking all the frequency of the elements, right? So I am using get or default hm.put x get or default +1. Okay, so every frequency would be there in my HashMap. Now what I am doing, this is the main point of this question. So I am actually going with one priority queue, and this priority queue is having an integer array, and this integer array is basically of size 2. So first guy would be storing the integer, and second value would be its frequency. Okay, so that is why I have taken the priority queue of type integer. Now see here what I am doing here, AB, right? So I am doing if in case the frequency is equal both of them, so A1, because second location A0 is having the integer and A1 is having the frequency. So in case if frequency is equal, in that case what we have to do, we have to return the bigger guy. So see here I have reversed the system, I have reversed the order. So I'm doing here B0 minus A0, right? So whenever we want the bigger value, so AB is my sequence. So if we want to get the bigger value, then we have to change the this sequence. So here I am doing B0 minus A0. So in case if frequencies are equal, then B0 minus A0 means bigger guy would come first. Otherwise, in all other cases what we are doing, we are taking the smallest frequency first. So in the second case what I am doing, A1 minus B1. So this is solely in the same sequence AB, and this is also in AB. So here on frequency we are checking, that means it will give us the smallest frequency first. Okay, so this is whole point that we have to do. And now what we are doing here we are just taking all the values from HashMap into our priority queue. See here pq.add, then I'm creating new int x, which is the key value, and hm.getX, which is the frequency. Now everything is there in the priority queue. So after doing this, what we are doing, see here I'm traversing through our priority queue, just made a variable k equal to 0. So now we have to return our answer. So basically we have to return the answer array, right? So I'm not creating a new variable of array, I'm using this nums itself. I will park my answer in this nums integer array, which is already there. So see here what I'm doing, here I am popping out the values. So integer array pq.pol, so whatever value on top of it. Now I am taking the frequency, so f equal to A1. So I just, the second guy would be the frequency of it, so I just got A1. Now for this frequency times I am adding that value A0. Okay, for example, let's say 3 came 5 times, right? So 3 is the key and 5 would be its frequency. Okay, so what we have to do, in the array we have to put this 3 5 times, right? So it would be like 3 like 5 times. Okay, so for that reason, first I am doing here, I am taking the frequency here, and then frequency time I am putting this guy 3. So see here, in while loop numsk plus plus equal to a0. A0 is our this guy, right? So then after getting all of them, I am returning this answer. So let me execute this code. So I am running this code. Yeah, so it is accepted here. Let me submit it. Yeah, so it is submitted. So thank you for watching this video. This time complexity would be n log n because priority queue takes n log n, and space complexity is also O of n. We are taking extra space. So thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.